Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use CapCut templates on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, open up CapCut on your Windows, and here on the left panel, you will notice a section templates, all right? You can click on this and it will reveal all available options to you. So you can scroll down and see endless possibilities. Now, if you don't have this option, you can always go online. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, go to CapCut.com, log into your account, and once you're here, you will notice here templates. Click on it. Same as earlier, just choose whatever template you would like to use in your videos. And most of these are completely free. So feel free to explore and browse. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.